Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be sharing with you how to enhance your deep conditioner using the Redew steamer. And I've been having my steamer for a while and I absolutely love it. It actually helps so much with getting my hair soft and manageable, especially when it's so dry from me leaving my protective hairstyles in for a while, which sometimes I do that. If you check out my previous videos, you'll know that I have a habit of doing things like that. So this Redew helps me combat the dryness and really enhance any deep conditioner that I put on my hair. The deep conditioner that we're using is called Rescued by Aunt Jackie's, and this deep conditioner alone is amazing. So when I added the steamer to it, it just had my hair so soft. Pro tip, always deep condition on clean hair. And the shampoo I used is by GIOVANNI, and it's the repair shampoo for damaged and over-processed hair. And the rinse out conditioner I used is by Pierre's. It's a new buy for me. I just picked it up because it had biotin in it, and I pretty much pick up anything with biotin. So yeah, I liked it. It worked pretty good. It had a lot of slip, so it was a plus for me. So we're starting with clean, fresh hair. I even rinsed out that biotin conditioner. So you don't want anything in your hair before you deep condition. You want to make sure your hair is completely clean. And as you can see, my steamer is ready. And the way I like to do it is first heat up the twist that I'm working on at a time and really get that steam inside the twist before I unravel it. In here, I have the Aunt Jackie's Rescued in my hair, and that's the only thing that I have in my hair. It was sitting with the plastic cap for about 30 minutes, and right now we're getting the steamer to help penetrate the rest of the deep conditioner inside our strands. And that's the way I like to do it. I let it sit for a while. Because I have low porosity hair, this is the best way to help the deep conditioner really work into my hair. And you can see my hair is super manageable. My fingers is running right through my hair, and everything is smooth and ready to take in that steam.
Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
Once I work the steam all throughout my hair, I like to go ahead and twist that section back up, and then I go ahead and move on to the next section. And this works so great. If you guys have not tried it, please go ahead and try it and let me know in the comments how you liked it. I would love to know. Even if you don't have a steamer, you can always just put a plastic cap on your head and hot towel. Put that on your head, and then I put another plastic cap over that, and that will create some kind of steam effect as well. So try that. Let me know how it works out.
Anywhere you go, give it on. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
I love how easy it is to detangle with the steamer. As you can see, I'm using my fingers, but I'm also working the steamer through right along with it, and it's getting the steam throughout my hair. So I don't really have to section off my hair, and that's a plus because it does cut down on the time it takes to do this. It takes me probably about 10 minutes per section, just because I want to make sure I get that steam throughout my hair very well. And here you see me removing all the shed hair that I can remove, and that's very important before I twist up each section and also before I rinse my hair. Rinse with lukewarm water. I know a lot of people say rinse with cool water, but for me, with having low porosity hair, I kind of want to keep my cuticles open for the next step, which is my leave-in oil and cream, or leave-in cream and oil. It really depends on the style and how my hair feels. After my hair was all rinsed, it was so soft and fluffy, as you can see. This works every time like a charm. So anytime that my hair needs that extra step, this is what I do. I don't do this every single time, but when I need that extra little boost, this is what we do. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're new here, hello and welcome to my little corner of the internet. I would love to have you. Please subscribe down below and comment down below what kind of videos you want to see from me. And if you're returning, hello and welcome back, and thank you for stopping by and supporting my channel, and I will see you in my next upload. Bye!